In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Mailchimp. First, go ahead and log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Campaigns section in the menu. This is where all of your emails and automations live. Click into Campaigns, then find and click the Create Campaign button. This is your starting point for building a brand new newsletter. Next, Mailchimp will ask what type of campaign you want to create. Choose Email, and then select Regular, sometimes called Drag and Drop. This is the standard option for newsletters and gives you the easiest design experience. Now it's time to name your campaign. This name is just for your internal tracking, so pick something clear like monthly newsletter or weekly updates. This makes it easier to find and reuse later. Once you've named it, click Begin or Start Designing to move on. Before designing, you'll see a checklist of settings to configure. Start with the To section. Here, choose the audience you want to send this newsletter to. If you've organized your contacts with segments or tags, you can narrow it down and send only to a specific group. Next, set up the From section. Add a sender name that your subscribers will recognize, like your business or brand name. Then choose a reply to email address. If possible, use a professional, domain-based email instead of a personal one, as this can help with deliverability and trust. In the subject section, write a clear, engaging subject line that tells people what they'll get inside the email. You can also add preview text, which appears next to the subject line in many inboxes. Use it to expand on the subject and encourage opens. Now you're ready to design your content. Click Design Email and choose a layout or a pre-designed template that fits the style of your newsletter. Inside the drag and drop editor, you can add and rearrange blocks like text, images, buttons, dividers, and social icons. Upload your logo to keep your branding consistent. Add any images you need, format your text for readability, and link buttons and text to your website or specific content. When your design looks good, take a moment to review everything. Use the preview tools to see how your newsletter will appear on both desktop and mobile. Then send a test email to yourself to double-check links, spelling, and formatting. If everything looks right, click Continue, then choose Send to send it immediately, or schedule to pick a specific date and time for your newsletter to go out.